One, two, three, four.
And it's the simple things you do. I just can't get enough of you. It's that perfect day, and the way you do it, that I love so much. And it's the simple things you say.